Hey guys, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports, and today we're bringing you a new products video for April. So we've got a couple neat items lined up for you. We're going to jump into some of those details, but first make sure you head down below and hit subscribe. We're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers, which is a huge goal, but the more subscribers we have, the better the content we can create. And so really the end goal is just going to be able to be making better YouTube videos for you guys to watch. But with that being said, let's jump right into it. So first up for you guys, we've got some new exhaust kits from MBRP. Now what they've designed is a couple different systems that fit the 2019 Ford Ranger, like the one you can see behind me. And these are available as 3-inch kits in either aluminized, stainless steel, or ceramic coating. Now these are designed as catbacks, so they're gonna leave your factory emissions equipment in place and will simply bolt onto the vehicle without you having to do any sort of crazy cutting or welding. And obviously this won't prevent you from getting your vehicle through inspection or emissions. On top of that, there is two different variations where you can either get a regular single side exit that's pretty similar to what's on the vehicle already, or a turn down option if you're looking for something a little bit different and a little bit more high clearance for off-road use. Up next, we've got these Roto Packs fuel and water containers. Now, a lot of you guys are familiar with regular jerry cans that you use to hold fuel or water on either camping trips or expeditions or just standard off-road trips, but Roto Packs has kind of refined the design a bit and come up with something a little bit more unique. What they offer are essentially a couple different options ranging from 1.5 gallons all the way up to 4 gallons, like this larger one you see next to me on the bench. And these can be mounted up with their unique kind of Roto Packs rotational mount, and this allows you to either stack them, link them together on the bottom like these 2-gallon ones that I'm holding, or mount them just singles on the sides of a motorcycle or a UTV, or maybe on a spare tire mount on the back of your vehicle. There's a lot of different utility there for a lot of different uses, and they're good for multiple different vehicles, which makes them super useful. No matter what you need to haul fuel or water for, you've got an option available to you. Now the ones I'm holding here, of course, are all fuel, and so they're all marked red, but the water ones are white, and they do offer a black version that is actually just a standard storage compartment that looks similar and will mount the same way, but gives you another place to store tools or extra items if you need them. Next up, we've got some new off-road accessories from Smittybilt, and while we've had a lot of Smittybilt stuff on the site in the past, these are a couple new items that we've just recently added, like this X2O winch that you can see here sitting in front of me. Now Smittybilt has these winches available in ratings from 10,000 pounds all the way up to 17,500, depending on your application and what you actually use it for. And there's a couple neat features that come with these, such as the ability to run it either wired or wirelessly, and you get a nice high-strength synthetic rope. And then on top of that, of course, it is all weatherproof and waterproof to handle tough off-road conditions. Now, on top of just the winches, we've added a couple other neat pieces of recovery gear and tow straps and things like that, so be sure to check all those out too. The next new product we've got for you guys is some new Kicker CS speakers. Now, these are another item where we've had them on the site, but Kicker actually just recently updated these speakers for a little bit better sound and more dynamic range, as well as their tweeters, which also have an option now to mount them in a separate pod. So if your vehicle doesn't already have a cutout section for a tweeter, you can kind of make an aftermarket option that'll work for you. Now, we do have the Kicker CS speakers available in two different sizes, either a 6x8 like the one I'm holding in my hand here, or our 6.5-inch rounds. So no matter what your vehicle is, whether you've got a Ranger, a Focus, Mustang, F-150, any of those, we'll have an option that's going to fit and will be a great drop-in replacement for the factory speakers that may be blown out or worn out over time. The last new product we've got for you guys are these Pitman Airbeds mattresses for truck beds. Now, we've had options available for F-150s and Super Duties, but what's just recently been added is new options that fit the 5- and 6-foot beds on the 2019 Ranger. So if you're looking for a way to make a little bit more of a comfortable camping situation without having to use a ground tent, or you just want to make the bed of your truck a little bit more comfortable to sleep in, no tent at all, this is a good option for you. And as you can see, they're also cut out to fit around the wheel well, so it's going to sit nice and flat in the bed and it won't fold up or cause problems when you try to sleep on it. One other neat feature included with these Airbeds mattresses is a built-in pump that uses just a 12-volt plug-in that you can run off the cigarette lighter in your truck to blow it up, so that way you don't have to blow it up manually or with a hand pump. This just adds one other level of convenience and makes it an excellent camping accessory for your kit. So that's going to wrap up this new products video for April. As usual, guys, we appreciate you watching, and make sure you leave some comments down below to let us know what you're excited about, and I'll see you guys next time.